What's up guys, Garrett with self.dev. Today we are going to go over how to undo the latest local commits in Git. So if you've made a commit and you realize, oh no, I don't actually want to commit this yet, this is how you would undo it. So first thing we are in my self.dev repo. We're going to go ahead and check out, check out a branch called test. Just so we're in a separate branch here. And then we need something to commit. We're not actually gonna make a file, or we're gonna make a file. We're not really gonna make any changes to it. This is just kind of to demo. We're gonna say touch file.txt. And if we do ls, we see that we've got file.txt. We'll just pretend that there's some code in here. We're working on a new feature, and that's what this file actually is. But let's go ahead and commit this. So we'll say git commit, or actually git add-a, and then git status, and we can see that that file is staged. So now let's git commit-m and say added file.txt. Cool, so we've committed that locally. If we do git log, we can see our latest commit and it says added file.txt. So we know that that change is in there. Then we say, oh no, actually we don't want that file committed. We're not done with this feature. We don't want to commit that yet. How do we undo that? The first way is git reset -- hard, or lowercase hard, and then head with a tilde and the number 1. Now this number can be increased if they're, like, let's say you want to go back 2 commits instead of just 1, then you would change this to 2. If you want to go back 3, 4, 5, you would just adjust that number depending on how many commits you want to go back. We only want to go back 1, so we're just going to use the number 1 here. And then we will press enter. And if we do git log, we see that added file.txt is no longer in our commit history. So that is gone. And additionally, if we do ls, we see that locally file.txt is not there. So git reset hard, you need to be careful with, because this will undo your commit and get rid of those changes locally too. Sometimes you might just say, hey, I wasn't actually ready to commit that. I still need to edit that more, and you want to undo the commit, but you still want the changes locally. So for that, let's go ahead and touch file.txt again. So that file is added, and then let's go ahead and commit that. Or rather git add file.txt, git status, so we can see that it's staged, and we'll commit. So we added file.txt again. And what if you want to get rid of the commit, but keep the file, keep the changes you have locally? So for that, we can just say git reset head ~1. So pretty simple. All we're doing is not saying hard, and this will get rid of the commit, but keep the changes you have unstaged or locally. So if we do this, I did not spell reset correctly. There we go. If we do git log, now we see that the added file.txt again is not there. But if we do ls, we can see that file.txt is still in our local repository. So that file's still there. If we do git status, we can see that that file's still being tracked. It's not staged, but the changes we made are still there. This is how you would undo the commit and still have the files to go back and edit. So hope that helped out. If you learned something new, give me a thumbs up so YouTube knows I'm doing good stuff. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the content I'm putting out. If you want to be notified when my Git course comes out, I'm working on that. Look in the description of a way you can be notified when that course comes out. If you want my resume template, the one I used to get my first developer job before I had any technical experience, look in the description of a way you can get that as well. And I think that's about it for this one, so I will catch you guys next time. Peace.
Round 1.